So yeah, Glowforge just released some beta stuff with their software. So we're gonna play around with it. So Glowforge has this beta speeds here now. So you can go all the way up to 2700 instead of 1000. So I'm gonna do that at full power with this Baltic birch. I did convert to patterns because I want it to just be max power the whole time instead of varying power. It's just a black and white image. I'm doing a little miniature of my garage in HO scale because that's kind of what I have for all my other products. You'll see that it kind of like eliminates this area, so you can really only engrave, looks like, I don't know, about 11 inches ish by, I guess, the full height. Probably just doesn't have enough time to like engrave that fast. I guess it has to slow down when it gets to the edge so it doesn't crash into there. So I'm gonna engrave these little brick patterns and then I'll cut it out. So this is real time. It's just barely touching that material. I guess it's not doing that bad of a job. It's not super deep, but it's doing okay. You can see right there, I tried it before at like 1200 just to mess around with it, but it's doing pretty much the same. Yeah, I mean, might as well do 1000, because if you're doing something like this and you want it a little deeper, probably gonna have to do 2 passes, and there's really no point in doing it. So this isn't gonna be a good product to sell with that engraving, but I'm just making like a little miniature version of my garage and office space to kind of like see what it's gonna look like, and just kind of like, I don't know, I'll print some miniatures or something so it's like a little easier to kind of think about where I need to put stuff when we move out of the basement and into the 3-season room / garage area. So we got our router out there right now, and I'd really like to use this space for the kids. This winter it's gonna be kind of hard to get outside and play all the time, so it'd be kind of cool to get like a little space for them to play. And yeah, this is almost done. Yeah, so it wasn't really that impressive. If I was gonna use that, I would have to do it twice, just for that Baltic birch. Acrylics I didn't even touch. So I don't know, maybe if you were engraving some like paper or something, but yeah, just kind of a useless feature. I'm glad they're updating things, but I don't know, maybe they could do something like folders for the artwork. That'd be kind of a cool feature for me at least. And maybe like some favorites that are just always at the top of the list. Because there's a lot of products that I do that are kind of buried sometimes when I don't do them as often, but you know, I'd kind of like them to be at the top of the list. So maybe, you know, Glowforge, if you're watching, get on it. So yeah, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it, check out my links below. Follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna start uploading a little bit more often. Yeah, if you got any questions or anything, hit me up in the comments. I don't have like millions of followers yet, so I'll reply to your comment, and we'll see you guys next time.